Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great. It is 6:30 and a Saturday evening. Took and pulled this one out. It's kind of strange looking one. It's a spider, or what we call a spider. It's got these little ends on it that looks like a handle would go in. The crazy thing about this is when I found it, it was jet black. And when I went to lift it, I was like, wait a second, it didn't feel right. Well, it's aluminum. And it looks like it was either painted at one time because the outside looks pretty black except for where the feet were on the ground. And you can tell the handle was painted silver and it goes over onto it. But it's pretty cool. I mean, I've still got a lot of work to do. Basically, I've spent the last 30 minutes or so scrubbing the heck out of this, getting all of the nasty stuff off and all the sticky stuff off. The inside actually looks really, really awesome compared to what it did look like. But I'm going to finish scrubbing it up. It looks like whoever had this used it a lot. You can tell there's like lines in it. It looks like they might have used it for cornbread out on the campfire. But there's a lot of other utensil marks, so this thing was probably used for everything because, I mean, the one good thing about it is it's light. So it's a lot lighter than the cast iron. So you could use this and it heats up so fast because of the aluminum. The only downfall is it also cools off really fast because of the aluminum. But it's actually pretty cool. If anybody has ever seen one like this or actually knows who made it, please let me know. Because it's just a cool piece. I'm going to clean it up as good as I can. And I'm going to use it. I'm going to see how it works. So hope everybody has a great night and everybody stays warm because it's supposed to get cold even down here. Y'all take care.